All right, we are filling out our application for mail-in ballot. We have Chester Selman here, his advanced voting application for a mail-in ballot that was sent to all registered voters in good standing. So it comes with two applications actually, one for the primary election and one for the general election. So Chester is filling out his application, and we just want to show how easy this process is to do. You have to put your driver's license number is very important to make sure is included. So you will need your driver's license for that purpose, and then you have to fill out the rest of the information that's provided on the card. Some of it is auto-populated, but you do have to put in your date of birth, what party you are affiliated with, and then the second most important thing, other than your driver's license number, is you have to sign the card. And then after you've signed it and dated it, and you've done the primary election, there is a second card. You have to split and tear this card in half. That's what Chet's gonna do. And then it comes with two cards, so there's two applications, one for the primary election and one for the general election. Another important deadline to remember is that the deadline for this application to receive your mail-in ballot is July the 28th. July the 28th to receive your mail-in ballot for the primary election. Same way. That's how it'll look after it's done and completed. Put a piece of tape at the top to tape it together. There you go. Put another stamp on there. There's your second stamp for your second application. And then the final step is, after you've reviewed it and make sure all of the information is completed, put that piece of tape at the top, place it in the mail, and it'll get sent directly to the Sedgwick County Election Office, and it will be processed, and then your mail-in ballot will come. So for the general election, does it say on there what the deadline for the general election? I know it's
November the 7th.
That's the primary. Open the other one there. Down at the bottom, I think it'll say October 27th, which is Kingston Selman's birthday, who is here with Papa Chet. But on October the 27th is the deadline to turn the application in for your mail-in ballot for the general election. And then all right, so you go ahead and you put the piece of tape over the top of that and seal it there. And you got your letter sealed with a stamp on it, and it's ready to go in the mail. And then Chester will put this in the mail, and it would get sent to the Sedgwick County Election Office. And then he will await his mail-in ballot, and he will be able to cast his vote via the mail. We think this is a great option for voting this year. We think it's a great option for getting people involved in the process of elections. And at Speak Out Kansas, we're going to be, our initiative is to obviously register as many voters as we can, but we're also going to press forward with encouraging and suggesting everyone that we come in contact with to vote by mail. So there it is. Get your applications turned in as soon as possible.